Have you ever met someone with a six-figure salary, but no savings? It's because your net worth, not just your income, is what truly matters for financial health. Let's start with a simple analogy. Imagine you're filling a bathtub, but the drain is also open and wide. Your income is like water flowing into the tub, but expenses are the drain. Net worth is how much water stays in the bath. A common misconception is that more money always equals better financial health, but it doesn't if you're not saving. For example, let's take two people earning $50K each year. One saves 20% and the other spends everything. After 10 years, the difference is huge. The saver would have about $40K in net worth, while the spender still has zero or even negative due to debt. Why does this matter? Because your financial freedom depends on how much you keep, not just how much you earn. It's the difference that builds wealth. So, the next time you think about a high-paying job or raise, remember to focus on what you can save and keep.